Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. So we're going to do a unpackaging from Thinx. I bought a lot of stuff from Thinx. I'm just going ahead and opening it while I'm talking. And I'm still missing a pair of underwear. One more pair, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So this should be the Sport and Dust and the Cotton Brief and something with a J. So this is the information. This is the cotton bikini. Guava. And then, of course, they're partner companies. So this one is a moderate. And I'm pretty sure that this is the one in dust. I have a missed call from Australia. I don't know why. Yeah, this is the Sport. Yeah. And Dust. So that's what it looks like. And I will be definitely washing these. With the coronavirus going on, my nose itches. With the coronavirus going on, and also I try to wash my clothes before I wear them. And then this one is like a pinky color, and this is the one in the. This is what it is. And I wanted to get one in a different color. That one, the one in Dust, the Sport one, did not come in any other color. They didn't have any other color available, is what it told me on the website. Then that one was also sold out, it turns out. But this one is this one a moderate as well? What's the flow on this one? Come on. It doesn't tell me. Oh, moderate. I see it. This one's the moderate as well. And I love the way Thinx did it where you can know which one you have when you grab it. So that's kind of nice. But here's the front of this one. And the back of this bikini. Anyway, that is what I got. I'm waiting on another one that is a moderate, and it's the same color as this one. So I'll do a separate video when I finally get that one in. Alright, anyway, take care. Bye, you guys.